Time for another update. It's the beginning of February 2025. I'm currently working on some wiring, the dash to get all the dials running. Also looking at the coolant system, as well as I took the old heater core out and connected it up to find out if there were any leaks. There's my battery. It's an anti-gravity battery. Technically it's a motorcycle battery, but the way I'll be using it, it'll be fine. The engine does run, and I'll be starting it up shortly. So you can see there's bits and pieces of the heater core, way too much wire, but I didn't feel like cutting it, so I just ran it. I have a temporary solution behind the dash that I will clean that up and make it look a lot better later. Here for the gas tank, there's my aeromotive pump and my Holley LiDAR fuel level sensor. It's a little tricky with this fuel level sensor in that if you ever touch the sensor line to a hot wire, it will blow it up. Ask me how I know. Lots of programming to make it work, and I'm still not done because I really don't know how the tank's going to sit once it's mounted in the body. The body is scheduled to be back in about a month, so lots of work to get it going. Other things I've been working on is the upholstery. And here is my newly upholstered Mazda Miata NA seat. It's the earliest gen. Actually, this came from a 1990. I have speakers in the headrests, and I did add heated panels in the seats. This comes from Mr. Mike, and the work I'd consider top-notch. A lot of work to put it on, but it's all good. The other one will be finished tomorrow. So that's where I stand right now. Anxious for the body to come back, and honestly a little bit nervous. Out of all the dials, the only dial that's not working as I'd like is the tack. I'm going to put a step-up resistor in there. I have one, but it didn't quite do the job, so I'll try some others. So let's go ahead and show you what it sounds like as I start it up. I do have some radiator cleaner in there just to help out the old innards of the coolant system. So here's the key, there's the pump, and here we go.